Hey, it's Clary and today I'll be showcasing the top 5 plugins for a community server. Firstly, we have Essentials. This plugin is a must-have for any server as it provides a wide range of essential commands and features such as teleporting, homes, kits, and more. It also offers a powerful permission system to manage player access. We have actually made a more in-depth video on how to install this plugin and configure it, so we recommend heading to the link in the description if you want to check that out. A must-have for a community server is GriefPrevention. This plugin stops players from griefing other spaces, houses, and land. It does this by adding land claiming so the players of your server can claim their spaces without your help. Not only that, but this plugin allows PvP rules to be configured as well as permitting players to exchange server currency for claim blocks. Another plugin perfect for community servers is the Geyser plugin. Geyser allows Minecraft Bedrock Edition clients to join Minecraft Java Edition servers. This means you can get twice the amount of players on your server. We've actually created a more in-depth tutorial video on this, so we'll leave the link in the description to that if you're interested. If you have a server full of people, it's important to know which ones are AFK and which ones aren't. With the AFK Plus plugin, you can use the command /AFK if you're going to be unavailable to let everyone else know you're AFK. Other players will then be able to see that status. Lastly, we have the Robbing plugin. All you have to do is sneak and right-click onto a player to open up their inventory. You can steal as many items as you want, but this is editable in the config, so you can make it more balanced if you'd like. It's also possible that if a player catches you, they may be able to arrest you using handcuffs. With a plugin like this on your server, it'll be impossible to feel safe. If you realize someone's out to steal from you, you can also place a /911 command. That'll tell everyone what coords you're at. They may be able to help fight off the thief. A lot of these features are configurable in the plugin config. I hope I was able to assist you in setting up your server. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!